is finally done. Only took about 3 hours. So this is going to be the one that goes over the bed. So it's this one. We put a little piece of tape and labeled which window this curtain is for. That way later on we won't have to measure each curtain out and see which window it fits. And I put it on the inside so it doesn't leave a residue on the outside if it does. Install the little curtains that I sewed actually last summer, and they've been put away in storage up until now. So the first step that I have to do is iron them, get them out, iron them because they've been folded away and they have creases. I apologize for the echo. I'm upstairs where I'm going to iron the curtains, and these rooms are all empty. They're all empty. There's nothing in here anymore. This is what we've been doing behind the scenes of the camper, is getting rid of all of our stuff, figuring out what to do with all the stuff. So it's either been donated, given away, thrown away if it was not salvageable or not donatable, and stored if we want to keep it for a future house. So that's what we've been doing this entire time behind the scenes. If you saw in the last video, Nick had installed the cushion that I had reupholstered, and that cushion alone really transformed the space. It really made it feel more like a little home, like a little cottage or something, more homey. So I'm super excited to get these curtains in. It's just gonna add to that feel, more cozy feel. Let's go ahead and get to ironing, and then we'll go ahead and install all the curtains.
don't think anyone ever watched them.
Yeah.
And plus we did all the remodeling here. That was a lot of dust here.
I'm going to attach the curtains onto these. I'm going to do one on each end, and then one in the middle. One on each end. 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and 1 in the middle. Can you hold this? I think this is the middle. And put these out evenly. Something like that. Okay, hold this one. It's on. Pretty much you can hang it up all the way to the top.
As high as possible?
Yeah. Something like that, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we vacuumed the windows a little bit. Now Joe's trying to wash them. This one's real dirty too?
Yeah, they're all dirty.
Like, the right just gets black from like just a little
for a
spot.
little 1-inch section. We plan on removing all of these pieces here and just putting in little window shades that I'll try to make myself.